Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file into your YouTube video description. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I've got a Google Drive over here, and what you'll need to do is upload your PDF to Google Drive, okay? So normally how you'll do it is just make sure that you are organizing everything. So let's say you want everything in one folder in Google Drive. All you'd have to do is click on New, create a new folder, and then once you've created that folder, you go and upload your file. Okay, so go and say file upload, and you can upload your PDF to your Google Drive folder. So this is where everything will be kept. Now let's say perhaps I want this one right over here, this PDF, and we're going to go and look for the three dots, and you're going to go down to share, and here you want to click on share. Here you'll be able to manage the access. Of course, you do not want people to have access to take the PDF and make changes to it. Maybe you just want them to view it. So you're going to go over here and say anyone with the link. And here you will see it says viewer, commenter, and editor. So you can make it whichever one you'd like. So let's say you want to make your permissions viewer. Once you're done, you're going to go and click on copy link. All right. And once you've copied that link, you're going to go into YouTube Studio and you're going to open the video that you'd like to add into the description of. So you're going to open up your video, and quite simply, you're going to just go ahead and you're going to paste that link over here. So once that link is pasted, you're going to go and hit spacebar. You can add the rest of your description in over here. You will need a level of verification to add this link in here to an external site. So once you've gone through that verification, the little note will come up just underneath the description. Just click on it. It'll take you to the verification process so you can get verified. And there you go. Now somebody that clicks on this will have access to the PDF within your Google Drive, but will not have access to the rest of your Google Drive. It will just be accessible for that single PDF. I hope this was helpful.